Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Notebooklm for studying. First of all, open notebooklm.google and then this page will open. Click on Try Notebooklm. A new tab will open. From here you have to create a new notebook. Click on it. Now you can add sources. You can add multiple sources. For example, you can also drag and drop. You can add sources from Google Drive, from a website link or YouTube link, or you can just paste text. So what I will do, I will just drag and drop some files. So I will click on choose files. So I will select a PDF file. I will wait for it to upload. Once it's uploaded, it will give me a summary of what I have just uploaded. So this is the summary. You can also check the FAQs. These are view only. If I go to notebook guide, I can also generate a study guide. I can also generate table of contents. I can also generate timeline and brief document. For example, it has generated the frequently asked questions. So it has given me the study guide, the FAQ, the table of contents, the timeline, and each and everything. You can also click and check each of the sources, and that's how you can use Notebooklm for studying. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.